Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did, actually the video before this one I did for the 4th of July tie-dye for adults, and right now I like to show you how I do one for tie-dye. It's a tie-dye t-shirt or onesie with magic foil and some rhinestones for the girls. So for this video, you're gonna need, of course, your t-shirts, and let me show you what I did yesterday. This is a 2T. And if you guys are going to use them for sale, let me know so that I can put a breakdown on the price and how much I sell them for and that kind of good stuff. But this is one that I'm going to be using for my granddaughter. And from these, I'm going to be trying to get orders. I am going to put some rhinestones around the neck, and I may cut the neck. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but whatever I do, I'm going to put pictures of them in this at the end of this video. I'm going to make this for my oldest granddaughter, and I have some videos of tie-dyes that I have made in the past, so I'm going to put the links right above here and also in the description box. And so I have this one, and I have this one for a baby, like for the my first 4th of July. We're going to be using, if you decide to do them, this is the adhesive. It's easy with adhesive. And then we're going to be using the foil. We're going to use a blue. I'm going to use a red. And I might decide to use this silver in little pieces around the image. You're going to need some heat tape. You're also going to need some scissors, a measuring tape. Okay, I already have one of them that I did last night just to test it out. So this is the adhesive. And over this adhesive, we're going to be putting the images. So let me turn my camera around so you can see the images that I'm going to print. Show you. So here are my images. Heat press needs to be at 305 for 20 seconds. So let me go ahead and print these and weigh them and see you at the heat press. Let me show you what I printed. So I printed this one for the 4th of July, like for toddlers, and this is for a girl. And then I printed this one for boys. And I spend the time, if you want to do something like this, it's a lot of work separating the colors. Okay, it's a lot of work. You need to paste piece by piece and tape it with some heat tape. It's up to you. So this is the 4T that I made. And I'm going to be putting links on how I do this part here. And I'm going to be putting a description also in writing because I did something little different. So that's that one. And on these ones, I'm not going to do so much as I did with that other one because I feel that it's it takes a long time. So this one I did for my other granddaughter. This is a 2T. And I cut this part of the neck, just like right there, leaving this part down here. Can you see it right there? There's two seams right here. I cut the first one and I left the second one, and I put some rhinestones. The reason why I put the rhinestones before I put the image is because I put this with a little gun, and I'm going to put the description of where I got it in the description box, in the description below. But then when it goes through the press, it kind of secures the rhinestones a little more. These are Swarovski crystals, SS10. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to do something a little more simple. I'm just going to go ahead and put the image, which will be this one right here. So I'm going to put it like right there. Okay, and we're going to press it, remember 305 for 20 seconds. So let's do the first step, and that's going to help secure the rhinestones. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and pull it. There we go. And for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in, I'm going to do my colors in 3 parts like I did with another t-shirt. So I'm just going to maybe cut like just a piece. And you can measure it too. You can also measure it, but I'm going to be doing like blue. And then I'm going to do the silver, another piece. Just like right there. Of course, if you want to spend the time doing the other one, I don't see why not. But I just feel like if you're going to sell them, it's like don't spend like so much time on it, because then people doesn't really like to pay. So, I mean, they don't want if it's too high in price. So I need my tape. So I am going to be putting a piece of tape here. And then I'm going to cut the red. Another piece, maybe about right there. Right there. And this is for the bottom part. It goes right there. Okay. So another little piece of tape. And there it is. So we're going to go ahead and put it back in there for 20 seconds at 305. There we go. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and check. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. So that's one. That's two. And that's the last one. So here you go. This is how it looks. With the rhinestone, look at how pretty it is. Okay, so that's that one. So let me just quickly do this other one. This is the my first 4th of July. So what I'm gonna be doing, maybe making the colors standing up. So let's go ahead and do that. Thing, the onesie cost me the same thing that the little t-shirts. So in reality, the clothes for kids is more expensive than the clothes for adults. So go figure. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this here about there. And again, you can measure your image. So I'm gonna be going like right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna be doing the silver. If you don't want to do the silver, you can only do the red and the white. But I think it's kind of cool to have both. So we're gonna go there and put a piece of tape, heat tape. That's what you need, okay? Heat tape. And then you get a piece of the red right there. And right there. And we're going to tape it again, another tape right here. So right there. Okay, a tape. And for this little last piece, we're gonna go there. And here we go again. 20 seconds. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at how cute. Okay, so that's all for me, you guys. I hope you like what you saw. Put in the comments, share with me, go on my Facebook and share your images. Other than that, thank you so much. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time,